Hi, I am Sadev Kumaran, and my CLT video is on the topic speech recognition with relevance to artificial intelligence. Today, I'm going to talk about the present trends and the future trends of speech recognition. In this application world, we have come across various applications such as from SMS to WhatsApp and from snake games played on Nokia phones to virtual reality games played on cloud. This has only been possible by adapting towards artificial intelligence. Siri is one such application. It was created by the Apple company for their communication devices. Siri is a voice recognition application which uses artificial intelligence. Before moving into the properties of Siri, we will look at how the topic can be related with design thinking. The first problem statement is that today the people with vision disability and other differently abled people cannot enjoy mobile and internet services. The solution can be provided by applications like Siri. It can help differently abled individuals to chat, message, and call other people. The second problem statement is that controlling multiple applications or even devices using smartphones. The solution can be provided by voice recognition applications like Siri. We can use various applications like Google Maps while driving, and even we can control home appliances like switching on or off AC, which has already been put into use in various countries. We can use voice recognition applications like the example given below to use various applications like Google Maps even while driving. Hey Siri, navigate me to Domino's Pizza.
One option I see is Domino's Pizza on NH181. Let me know if you want to hear the whole list.
Now we will look at the properties of Siri. Siri is an iOS application. It works more like a personal assistant, and it does certain tasks that the user would like to do in his or her device. For example, providing weather forecasts, scheduling meetings and alarms, providing navigation to many destinations, calling your contacts, etc. As I mentioned before, Siri is a voice recognition application which uses AI. It understands the context of the text. It remembers preference of the user. It stores history of the user and projects frequently used items. Most importantly, it is used usually on the go. The main differences between Siri and the other search engines are given below. Siri doesn't display just raw pages from the website. It is focused on completing a task. For example, if in your phone there are 3 contacts with the first name of Manoj and you instruct Siri to call Manoj, Siri would ask the user which one of the 3 contacts with the first name of Manoj would you like to call. This shows that Siri doesn't just display raw information, it is focused on completing a task. Siri gives results based on conversation with user. Similarly, Siri personalizes based on users' interests during that moment. Siri focuses on the important items like weather, movies, restaurants, etc. Siri analyzes text and performs tasks like schedule meetings, set an alarm, call other people, etc. There are some things that Siri cannot do. The main thing is that it is dependent on internet connection. Without internet connection, Siri cannot work because it has to connect to the cloud and respond to users' queries. Also, Siri cannot do complex planning. Moreover, it cannot do tasks outside the focus areas. According to PricewaterhouseCoopers, which is one of the big 4 consultancy and analysis firm, 71% of the internet users prefer to search using voice commands rather than typing it. The main concern here is that 55% of the users are concerned with privacy. And companies such as Microsoft and Apple are working on it to make voice payments and voice search more secure and more convenient for the users. Google suggests that out of the entire global online population, 27% is using voice search on mobile in 2021. A report by TechCrunch states that in 2020, the number of devices with voice assistants installed was over 2 billion. Emerging technologies like natural language processing NLP and voice analytics tools are offering value to businesses across several industries. Similar to most consumer-led technologies, voice technology has evolved and businesses are turning to its competences to develop efficiencies. This slide shows the present. It is a mixture of the present and the future trends in voice recognition. Some of them are custom voice assistants, banking customer care services, home care, education institutes, even lifts use voice recognition. Owned assistant such as Hey Google, Hey Siri, and Hey Alexa in 2021 is a daily affair. New way of working. With the inability to meet or work with our colleagues in person, voice assistants and audio tech are improving communication and productivity for homebound workforce. Beyond home, voice is not only materializing in different smart devices, but it's being scaled into apartments, dorms, and hotels for a smart experience anywhere. Gaming gears. Voice-led gaming is also growing. Smart TVs. Smart TVs is an obvious placement for a voice assistant because you don't want to really look for the clicker and spend more time clicking on it when we can use voice to navigate and search for things in the TV. This slide shows the mixture of the present and the future trends in voice recognition. Thank you.